So we want to rearrange this for p. It's inside here, so get rid of this square root. So to undo a square root, we square both sides. So that gives, squaring both sides then gives, this side squared is capital D over D, all squared. Square a square root and you just get f plus p over f minus p. Now we're going to move things around, so I'll put brackets on things because there's more than one terms underneath and on top. Move this up. I'm going to write this as d squared over d squared. This times itself is this. I'll move this from divide to times. Is equal to f minus p. Move that up to times is equal to the f plus p, which I can just write as the object itself without the bracket if I want. Now I want to collect for p, don't we? Which looks awkward, so I need to expand this bracket now. So f d squared over lowercase d squared minus p d squared over the d squared equals f plus p. Now I'm going to move this f over to be with this f, d squared plus d squared minus, so I've left that as is, move the f over to minus f is equal to, leave the p as is, and I'm going to move this over to be plus p d squared over d squared. Now you can see that I've gathered all the p's together here now, so I'm getting there. This is one lot of p, isn't it? So what I've got an f common here, so I could write this as d squared over d squared minus 1 if I wanted on the left, because it's an f common, take it outside a bracket. Here there's a p common, and it'll be one lot of p here plus the d squared over d squared. Now we can move this from times to divide, so f d squared over d squared minus 1 over, I'll move this from times to divide, 1 plus d squared over d squared, capital over lowercase d, equals the p, leave that there. So what have we got then? So we've got p equals then, there's an f. Now I could times top and bottom by d squared over d squared and run it through the bracket both terms. Yeah? So that's what I'm going to do in my mind's eye. I'm not going to put that there, I'm just going to do it. So multiply the top by d squared, and we'll get, this one will cancel, and this will be minus the lowercase d squared. And underneath, when you multiply by the lowercase d squared, you'll get d squared there, plus the capital D squared, because the d squared underneath cancels. Okay, so that looks easier if we just write p is equal to f capital D squared minus d squared over d squared plus d squared. So that's the solution we get.